When writing equations, we'll be making connections between the written word and mathematical expressions. Here's a simple example. 3 more than twice a number is the same as 2 less than 4 times that same number. Our unknown, the thing we're looking for, is some number. We're going to use the letter n to represent that in our equation. Here's another piece. 3 more. 3 more means plus 3. Then twice means 2 times. Here we've got 2 less, which we can represent with negative 2. Then 4 times, which we can represent with multiplying by 4. The only missing piece then is the equal sign, and that comes from this phrase, is the same as. 3 more than twice a number is represented as 2 times that number plus 3. On the right side of the equation, we have 4 times that same number, but 2 less than that. So the equation that matches that statement is 2n plus 3 is equal to 4n minus 2, where the letter n is our unknown number. Note that the 2 and the n written together means 2 times n, and the 4 and the n written together means 4 times n. Here we have 1 less than 1/3 of a number is 2 more than half that same number. So identify all the individual parts. The word is telling us about the equal sign. 1 less is negative 1, then 1/3 of means to divide by 3. 2 more than means we'll be adding 2 to something, and to find half of something is to divide by 2. Last, let's identify the unknown. We'll use the letter n to represent a number, and we'll use it twice, once on each side of the equation. So 1 less than 1/3 of some number is 2 more than 1/2 that same number. Note that this represents 1/3 of a number because I'm dividing that number by 3, and that this represents 1/2 of a number because some number n is being divided by 2. A cell phone with a $69.99 monthly service plan costs $239.99. Alternatively, you can get the phone for free, but pay $99.99 per month. Write an equation that shows when the 2 payment plans are equal. We need an equation that helps us figure out how many monthly payments we need to make. Since monthly payments are unknown, we'll assign them a letter. In the first payment plan, we'll be paying $69.99 per month. On top of that monthly payment, we also need to pay an upfront one-time fee, $239.99. That's the information we need for Plan 1, so let's record it all together. $69.99 per month plus $239.99 one time. Alternatively, we can get the phone for free. That's a one-time payment of $0, but pay $99.99 per month. Now let's put that information together. $99.99 per month plus $0 for the one-time fee. Put an equal sign between the two expressions. Note how the information on the left side of the equation represents the first payment plan, and the information on the right-hand side of the equation represents payment plan number 2. And we separate the 2 payment plans with an equal sign. The temperature of a glass of water left out on the counter is 35 degrees Fahrenheit and rising at a rate of 1.5 degrees Fahrenheit per minute. The temperature of a second glass of water in the fridge is 68 degrees Fahrenheit and falling at a rate of 2.5 degrees Fahrenheit per minute. Write an equation that shows when both glasses are the same temperature. So notice that the starting temperature of our first glass is 35 degrees and that it's rising at a rate of 1.5 degrees per minute. The phrase per minute ought to cue you into our unknown. Let m equal the number of minutes. The 1.5 tells us the rate of increase in the temperature the glass experiences every minute. So let's put those 2 pieces of the equation together. 1.5 degrees per minute plus the initial 35 degrees with which we start. Our second glass is starting at 68 degrees Fahrenheit, but losing heat at a rate of 2.5 degrees Fahrenheit per minute. We put those 2 pieces together. Negative 2.5 degrees per minute plus our starting 68 degrees. And lastly, we separate our 2 expressions with an equal sign, because we're looking for the moment at which the temperature in the glass is the same.